I told you first gear ain't no joke. Whoa! All right, guys. So, as you guys seen on the video, we're getting ready for Fabulous Fords. I was gonna make a whole video for you guys and then put it together and include Fabulous Fords and all that stuff, but we got a lot to go over. As you guys already seen, the boost is feeling good right now. With me and my wife went on a ride. Car is feeling good. There's just a couple little things that I gotta do. Like right now, my turbo feed line right here is getting a little too close to my header, and I got header wrap and all that, but I still want to situate that. Right now what I want to do is kind of get on this two-step, and I want to make sure this thing is firing up. I'm gonna get on 3,000 RPMs right now, make sure my bump's working, make sure everything looks pretty good. And I'm not gonna use it this Sunday because it's just a show, but I just kind of want to get the thing dialed in because I'm gonna have to go to a testing tune pretty soon, and I want that soon being this Thursday coming up. Not this, because today's Thursday, but next Thursday. So I'm gonna get that kind of figured out today, mess around with the testing tune. Right now Wayne and I are about to get in the Mustang, and we're gonna kind of take a trip around the block here, kind of get all the fluids warmed up, get in operating temperature, and then let's see how this two-step is. But other than that, man, yeah, stay tuned and check this Mustang out. All right, Juano, you ready?
Oh, I'm living the dream.
Let's get this thing going. We're gonna just warm it up right here and get this thing ready to go. I'm already ready. The two-step's it's already working. Last time I checked it, I put my switch here. Still gotta clean this up here, but this switch right here, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, this activates a two-step and my trans brake, which is right here. I turn on the trans brake here, and then it turns on, and then I can use it. This right here is my bump. I'll show you guys once we get back from warming this thing up. I'm gonna have to go buy another jug of fuel just so I can be good, because I'm about a little bit under half. I want it to be good for when I go to Irwin though. So, correcto. Correcto mundo.
Oh, she got those trees out.
Yeah. You know what I gotta check? I gotta check my airbags. All right, let's get ready to rumble. Remember there used to be some wrestling commentator used to say, let's get ready to rumble, no?
Yeah. Just roll right through that red, huh? Yeah, I saw it.
Flip it.
And it's got a lot of get up and go.
I mean, we're already out. We gotta get a good pull. Look at that. The car guides are right on mine.
Yeah.
You ready?
Holy bejeebus. Oh my goodness. Nobody wanted to turn, they saw you coming. Holy crap, he's moving.
Alright, we got the car at operating temp. Let's get ready to kind of get her going. So right now, I'm turning on the stager, which is about by that blue light right there. Off, on. And then once it's on, I press this button here, holds the 2-step, and engages everything, and I can lay off the brake. So let's see how it looks. That's perfect. All right, guys, that was just a quick little update. Getting some little pulls in here. Car's feeling pretty good. I still would like to get out there more and kind of give it a good haul. I've just been doing short little bursts. See how it feels. But like I said, right now, there's just objective is get to Fabulous Ford, healthy-ish, feeling good. And then after Fabulous Ford, I could worry about dialing in more of the 2-step. It's pretty much almost there. Just little things. Making sure that like I said, the turbo feed line, I would like to move it a little bit. Just little things to make it look a little nicer. Well, not mainly nicer, but that way I know it's good. It's safe from heat and all that stuff. So yeah, man, catch the next video coming soon. I got to do a lot of things. Me and my dad are switching cars right now because he has a truck. I'm gonna let him borrow my daily driver. I'm gonna use his truck. I'm gonna have to go pick up a trailer tomorrow for my father-in-law. Get that over here, and I'll bring you guys along the whole process then. But other than that, man, catch you next time.